Hello, friend. A lot of people will ask me, how do I get my hands on these Plasti Dip products from DipYourCar at the lowest possible price? And you know what I tell them? There's a secret. And you may be thinking to yourself, so what's the trick? How do I get these great deals? I'll tell you. You see, it's all about timing. A couple times a year, DYC will have these huge seasonal sales where everything is on sale. Big discounts too. You won't believe it, but DYC is actually having their spring sale right this very minute. 20% off the entire website. Was that the purpose of this video? No, just a random coincidence. Now sure, DYC's everyday prices are super affordable, but if you ever wanted to know the trick on how to save a whole bunch of money on a wheel kit, or a car kit, or any of those cool things that you may want, you want to wait for those seasonal sales, you want to purchase during that sale before it ends, and take advantage of it. So if it's your personal goal to buy your DYC stuff at the lowest possible price, here's what you do. You lurk in the shadows, you listen for clues, and when it's one of those large seasonal sales, you jump on it. You take advantage, it's all about the timing, and if you're lucky, you may run into a situation where someone tells you about the sale before it's over. If you have any questions at all, you know how to reach us at DipYourCar.com. We'll help you as much or as little as you need. It's Fonzie. I hope you guys enjoyed the tips today. I'll see you on the next video.